It's going to be majestic, it's going to be regal, it's going to be royal, it's going to be all of that and much more. The most awaited wedding of the year as far as Bollywood is concerned, Katrina Kaif and Vicky Kaushal's wedding. I'm Chaiti Narula joining you live from Savai Madhopur, and you can see it in the air, you can see it around me as well, how regal this atmosphere really is. And this is how the wedding festivities are going to begin in this royal fanfare of sorts. In fact, the visuals that we're just getting in right now are of Katrina Kaif, the bride-to-be, leaving her home for the airport in Mumbai. Even Vicky Kaushal leaving his home for the airport in Mumbai. And these are the live visuals we're getting at the moment. Playing these visuals on your screens right now. Tushar Joshi, our entertainment editor, is now going to be joining us for the very latest. Tushar, I'm throwing straight across to you. It's going to be such a regal royal wedding. Is this how Katrina always wanted her dream wedding to be? I believe they've left for the airport. She's dressed in a yellow lehenga. Vicky Kaushal has also left. Tell us a little more about what they're wearing and what is expected. The guests have started arriving here. I can confirm that.
Chaiti, you have used the perfect adjectives to describe this wedding. You have said regal and royal. If yellow and mustard and golden ensembles don't scream out regal and royal, I don't know what does. Yes, this is the dream wedding that Katrina has been anticipating and has been looking forward to all these years. It will not be anything short than what you described, which is there is a fort involved. There are guests all across the country. There's an extended family who has flown down from abroad to come and visit this. There is a royal safari, an animal safari that is planned. We broke that news as well. And the fact that both of them have color coordinated. We just saw these visuals of them at the airport where they're both wearing, she's wearing a mustard yellow outfit from Anamika Khanna, I believe. And he's wearing something by Kunal Rawal. Again, bold yellow are colors that are common between them. Her mother also was seen wearing a beautiful, stunning yellow kurta. So it seems to be that there is a certain protocol in place in terms of even mapping the color coordination in terms of everybody being on the same page, making sure that they look like they're going out for a wedding. And you couldn't help but notice the smiles on their faces as Vicky slyly waved at the paparazzi at the airport.
And you know, Tushar, I want to ask you this. You know Katrina very well as well. There are so many SOPs that have been in place. We have the inside details about how NDAs have been signed, that is non-disclosure agreements have been signed, and the guests are not allowed to bring their mobile phones, click photographs as well. Is this how she always visioned her dream wedding to be, Tushar?
Well, I don't know if this is how she envisioned a dream wedding, but this is how she has always been. If you know Katrina, you know for a fact that she extremely guards her privacy. She is very extremely protective of her privacy. She's always been like that, whether it's with the press, whether it's with the people that she has been linked with. She has always been very guarded. She speaks very little of what her personal likes and dislikes are. She lets her work speak for itself. So when they sat down to prepare the wedding, when they sat down and put down all these SOPs and protocols, it didn't come as a surprise to me when the fact that there will be no mobile phones, there is no photography. The guests have been given these special codes, which are basically alphabets. And that's the way they're going to be registered at these hotels. In fact, I had so many people who I spoke to off record tell me that it's become an inside joke that this is the wedding that we are not going for. You know, that's the inside joke in Bollywood right now. And obviously, nobody's coming on record. Nobody has said
this.
That's
very interesting to know. This is the wedding that they're not going for, given the kind of SOPs that have been put in place as well. Tushar Joshi, our entertainment editor, joining us with the latest details. Thank you very much for getting us those inside details right there. It is, like I said, the biggest wedding as far as Bollywood is concerned of the year. Vicky Kaushal and Katrina Kaif tying the knot on Thursday. The guests have started trickling in. In fact, when we arrived at the Jaipur airport as well, we saw a whole bunch of their friends and family and relatives, the hairstylists, a bit of crew. We spotted a lot of people who's already started trickling in at the Jaipur airport. In fact, the visuals of Katrina leaving for the airport are also on your screens. Vicky Kaushal leaving the airport also on your screens right now. Katrina's sister, Natasha, stylist, you have Anaita Adijania Shroff. They were the few guests who were spotted by our reporters as well, by the paparazzi at the Jaipur airport. In fact, Anaita has been very crucial in really deciding the look and feel of how Katrina is going to be looking. She's been sourcing the fabric for her wardrobe from all over the country as well. She also happens to be a very good friend of Katrina Kaif. Her two siblings, that is Katrina's two siblings and hairstylist Daniel Boyer, were seen leaving for the Mumbai airport too. Sources telling India Today the wedding planners have booked 8 to 10 tents for the VVIP guests at the Jaipur Oberoi Hotel. These tents are booked till 10th of December. In fact, we're getting some inside details that are coming in. The friends and family already arriving for the wedding festivities, and there is inside scoop coming in as we've got a battery of reporters tracking this grand royal regal wedding, and here is all the inside gossip and the scoop that you need to know.
Countdown to Bollywood's biggest wedding of the year is on. The sherwani for the ceremony has made its way to the groom. Preparations for Bollywood's most awaited wedding are in full swing. Soon-to-be bride Katrina Kaif has been frequently spotted at Vicky Kaushal's house amid the preparations. Their friends and families have already started reaching Jaipur for the wedding scheduled for Thursday at the Six Senses Fort Barwara in Savai Madhopur. Katrina's sister Natasha, stylist Anaita Shroff Adijania are few of the guests spotted at the Jaipur airport by the paparazzi. Her two other siblings were seen leaving for the Mumbai airport. Sources tell India Today the wedding planners have booked 8 to 10 tents for the VVIP guests at Jaipur's Oberoi Hotel. These tents are booked till December 10. The rent for these luxurious tents starts from 70,000 rupees per day. We also learned that Katrina's stylist and close friend Anaita Shroff Adijania travelled across India to source fabrics for her ceremony clothes. She has been helping the actor in her entire wedding planning as well. According to reports, Salman Khan's bodyguard Sherra's security team will be guarding the Vicky Katrina wedding. A tiger safari for guests, attire sourced from across the nation, coded names for guests. Victrina have left no stone unturned to turn their shadi into one of Bollywood's most magnificent events. With Chaiti Narula, Bureau Report, India Today.
And many of you who track Bollywood really closely are wondering and have one question on your minds. Is Salman Khan invited to the wedding or he's not invited to the wedding? So far, sources tell us that he's not made his way to the guest list. In fact, his sister, Arpita Khan, has also given us a formal confirmation exclusively to India Today about Salman Khan not making his way onto the guest list of Vicky Kaushal and Katrina Kaif's wedding. Here's more. When two people get married, the one question really is, how did their love story really begin? Did they find love in a hopeless place? Did they find love on sets? Where did they find love? How did they fall in love with each other? And when did they finally decide to take the plunge to end up getting married, to spend their forever after together? Here's a look at how Vicky Kaushal and Katrina Kaif's love story panned out.
No public appearances together. Never post for the paps. No mushy pictures of each other on social media. Not even the slightest hint about their whirlwind romance. Yet, there was a wind between the two that their fans could feel. Enough to gauge, the duo is head over heels in love with each other. It all started after this dinner date photo which went viral on social media. This came on the heels of the duo being captured, coming out together from a mutual friend's Diwali bash. Both Katrina and Vicky emerged from the party together but eventually left in their separate cars after a brief photo op for the shutterbugs. Amid all of this was their second dinner outing, which left fans speculating further that there was much more than just a casual friendship between the two actors.
When it comes to Katrina Kaif and Vicky Kaushal, both of them have very conspicuous identities. They've established themselves very, very separately in different ways. Their career paths are also very different. When you see Katrina, she's this blockbuster superstar doing mainstream films, whereas Vicky Kaushal, again a prolific actor, is doing great work as far as Indian cinema is concerned. But when these two come together, what really happens? We're going to tell you more about that, and their combined net worth is now 200 crore rupees. You know, there's a lot of intrigue when it comes to celebrity marriages, and Katrina Kaif and Vicky Kaushal's marriage is no different. And hence, we here at India Today have got our ear to the ground to bring you all that is happening at the wedding. We'll continue with a battery of reporters bringing you coverage on this grand gala wedding ceremony. This is me, Chaiti Narula, signing off from Ranthambore.